what's up guys? So today I will be, you probably read it, we'll be making a bed that works and you can lay down in it and sleep. So yeah, here's the things you need. You're probably gonna need a little more than this. There might be extras, you know, but essentially you're gonna need your mattress, your top and bottom of your bed, a seat, and a model to animate. So let's just get started off already by building the bed. So I'll just place this on the ground, you know, so just put this up here, then I'll place it on the ground. There we go. Okay. So we got our bed, and then we can take our seat and we can just shrink it a bit because I don't need a huge seat. We just need something small. Make it at an angle. I'd say no, make it straight because we're just gonna be playing an animation. Make it whichever side you want it to be in. I'll just do it this side. Okay. Right here. And so yeah. Let's just put our character on and let's animate our character to lay down on the ground. So let's go ahead and open up the animation editor that comes with Roblox. We're just gonna click on him, create an animation, grab his torso, make it completely, or you can go ahead and, if you want to be perfect, rotate it to 90 degrees. So we can just move him down then, all the way until his back touches the floor. Now this little gray part, that's the human part, don't worry about that. And you can just move his arms however you want, you know, like behind his head, make him look comfortable. I mean, you know, just make him look like he's sleeping. Alright, nice. Let's make his head look up a bit more. Spread his legs out, because, you know, I don't know about you, but I spread my legs when I sleep too. Alright, make him look comfy, and he looks pretty comfy right now. You could even do like a knee up thing, you know, or like in the games I like to put their knee up like this. But I just like it like this for now. So let's go ahead and export this. Sleeping animation. Yeah, I spelled that completely wrong. Submit it. Yeah, submit. And okay, gonna take. Okay, sleeping animation. What's going on? Oh, you have to put something in the description now. That's stupid. Okay, so we're just gonna submit. Copy the code a couple times because sometimes it won't copy right. And we can just move this guy off. Inside the seat, we'll create an animation and we'll name this to sleep. Paste the ID into it. Okay. So you see, we do not have an ID in here. Okay, got the ID. So now we can go ahead and anchor everything. Make sure it's all anchored. Don't even want one thing unanchored. Okay, so let's go ahead and make it. We're gonna do that, and we want to group this because we're gonna make it where you click it. So we're gonna make it essentially where if you click this, it will make you sit in the seat, and you'll lay down with the animation. And when you press space and get up, you will stop playing the animation. So essentially, the way we can do this is, I don't remember exactly how it's done, but I know there's a thing you know, the seat Linux knows. Oh, they removed it. Never mind. That's not the way you can do it anymore. Yeah, okay, never mind. They removed this. So, we'll have to do it a different way. That's fine. There's a seat who knows who's sitting in it or whatever, and it would know who's sitting in it, and I don't remember how you do it, because my brain can't remember anything anymore, but we'll just figure it out. Can't be that hard, right? Anyway, so, let's get coding. We're going to add a script, a click detector, and that's it we need. We're gonna do script.parent.click detector, then mouse click connect function, and get the player from here. We're gonna do script.parent.seat sit. Where we need a humanoid? Yeah, okay. Player.character.humanoid. Then we can play the animation by doing local anim equals script player character humanoid or column load animation script parent seat animation. And I thought I added animation to the seat, didn't I? Sleep. Okay. Column play. And then we're just gonna go ahead and do Oh, that's. I'm gonna remove this colon player and do anim colon. Alright, then we'll do player.character.humanoid.changed. Wait for the humanoid to change. If player.character.humanoid.sit. I think it's just sit, right? 1 minute. Yeah, that sit equals false. Then anim colon stop. Alright, that should work. Let's click it and see what happens. Let's play here. Should play the sleepy animation on our character and stop it when we get up. You see? Okay, so something we did wrong. As you can see, first of all, that did not work. First of all, let's load back up the animation. I forgot about this. With animations, you need to loop it. Go into here, set animation priority to action. Then we can just export it as a asset and submit it as that old asset, and then we can just close it out. Alright, then we should be able to try it. Let's see if it works. Since it's an animation, it would not be taken over, and as you see, we're laying in the floor, and actually we're stuck laying down now, which just means it's not working when you press space, so that means this is not working. So we'll actually just do this as a function, so every time you click it, it'll remove it. So changed connect, and then we'll just do function. Can not type today? Okay. End. Alright, so we'll do that. If it sits false, if he's not sitting, then the animation's gonna stop. Let's try it. This is better than stopping all animation tracks, because that doesn't work that well. You can see we get up and it stops. We can sit down again. Continuous. But of course, we need to make the seat sit up a bit, because I mean, that's just not happening. So let's go ahead and play here. Get the seat's upwards position once we have it perfectly. Let's set our character down. Okay. Oops, right. Alright, so we can probably go up a couple steps. Let's go ahead and do let's get the seat. And I feel like moving it up about there. About there would look nice. Let's try that. Oh, yeah, perfect. And that makes our character lay down, as you can see. So we can stop. I mean, set it about where we had it there. So we're going to go ahead and find our seat. Move it about there. Change the transparency to 1. Let's try it out and let's see how well it works. So this means that we need to make the seat disabled until someone's sitting in it. So boom, this works great. If you want to stop there, stop there. But if you want to keep going, we can go ahead and do seat, and then we're going to do disabled as true. And then if we, this should actually just work. It should work, but it might not. Let's figure it out. Yeah, okay, I thought so. This means that you cannot sit in it normally, but when you click on it, you'll sit in it. That's exactly how jailbreak works. Oh, yeah, remove that decal. But yeah, there we go. We got beds, and this is how they work. Let's go ahead and make the seat can collide off. Remove the decal. And that's it. That's just the basics. But yeah. So, if we now I was trying to make the other side too, but let's just look at this real quick. Okay, so you cannot sit on it. Click it. Works great. Jump up, and yeah, that's it. That's how you make a working bed, and it actually doesn't look that bad. Now you might be wondering, how do you get in the blankets? Easy. First, ununion your thing, because we don't need to do union anymore. Not okay, separate it, and we're just gonna take the blankets, duplicate it, and move it up a bit like that. And we're gonna make the transparency to 1 actually. Take this anchor one, can collide as false. See, none of these need to be collidable except for the mattress. And we'll just make the mattress and pillows and make these a union. Okay. So this will be called blank. And this will be called nor blank. Because this is the normal blank. Excuse me. And that's just base. So, whoops, don't delete base. Name this to base. Set the primary part as the base so you can teleport if you use my building system. This will be compatible with the building system, I think. Yeah, it should be. So this should be compatible with the building system. If not, tell me. And I'll try to make it compatible, but it should be compatible. Compatible. So now we need to make it where when it plays, we're gonna do the script.parent.norblank.transparency equals 1. Script.parent.blank.transparency equals t equals 0. Just copy these, and so when it stops, it'll do the opposite. Perfect. Let's see. It should look like our characters in the blankets now. Okay, so the blankets are transparent right now, or they fell through the ground. You know what? They probably fell through the ground. I bet you we didn't anchor them. Nope, not anchored. Nice. I'm sure Union's anchored too. Everything must be anchored. Okay, let's go back to it and try again. Click it, and boom, our character's in the blankets, and we get up, he's out of the blankets. It's really cool, I admit. That's just so cool. And also what we can do is go back to the blank, turn it to 0. You can actually duplicate it. Move this in both sides, in both ways. And there. Make it down here. Okay. We'll just go ahead to model, negate, and union with this. And now it'll be like that. And then we can just go and this to blank. Blanket, by the way, if you wonder what that means. It just means blanket. And we're going to set it transparency to 1. And this should look even better. But you know, get creative, make your own, make it how you like it. But yeah, I think that's good for me. Of course, you could make it where like each side is separate. But I'm not gonna make the other side for now. This can just be a 1-person bed. That's how you make it. Link in the description for the model. It'll be on my website in my model section. Just find the model you're looking for. One day I'm probably gonna add a search bar so you can search it if I get that many models in there. But link to my website. Just go down there, download it, get the model, and yeah, that's it. And you might have to make your own animation. I'm gonna make it where copy so you can use it, but you might break and you have to use your own. But yeah, that's about it. Like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Not to mention, join my group and buy the Flaming Robot shirt. I'm probably gonna make a new one. Anyways, is that it? That's all I have to say? Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'm gonna just spend an hour editing this thing. I can make a 15-minute video, and it'll take me about 2 hours to edit a 15-minute video. Quality. That's it.